Alright, this is a Jeep Kaiser 1967 M715. It's a military pickup truck. It's got a Jeep Tornado 230 engine. Nobody ever knows what these are. They didn't make them very long, and the military got most of them. Truck sat in New Jersey for a while after release from military service, and eventually it came to me. And we just got it running, so I'm going to show that. The wiring has got to be redone, so I have it rigged up right now. This is the coil. So I turn that on, and then I hit the makeshift starter button. And there we go. Now it's running. Running off a temporary fuel can right here. This is filled with gasoline. And that's it. And I drove it to this spot. It's got no brakes, but I drove it where it sits now. We've got a family party coming up, so I had to get it out of the driveway. So it's over here in the dirt for the moment. Truck needs pretty much a ground up restoration. But as you can see over there, I already have one of these that I've pretty much finished working on, so I'm going to focus on that one. This one is a project, just waiting for the right project manager. It's got about 8,700 miles on it. And that's it. It's converted to 12 volts already. It's got a General Motors HEI coil and distributor in it. I had to take a picture of that or show that. There's the distributor. New plug wires and plugs. And that's it.